Hello, today I'm going to show you how. At Diatex, we manufacture composite parts, hollow bodies and complex shapes. We'll use as an example a ping pong paddle made of composite with carbon pre-preg. To make this paddle, we'll use bladders that are perfectly welded to the shape of the mold using a machine we've developed, and we'll weld them directly to the shape. Any type of film, low temperature, high temperature, perfectly designed for each part. So the first step, of course, is to apply a release agent. The release agent we've chosen for this application is, of course, Takeoff, which is a specialized water-based release agent for autoclave applications. Why use an aerospace-grade release agent for this type of application? Because we're going to have exactly the same constraints, meaning a lot of pressure. We'll be applying 6 to 7 bars of pressure inside the mold, and so as a result, there will be significant stress during demolding. There we go, the mold is ready, it's been treated. We're going to use the pre-preg, 2 layers on each side. The pre-preg layers are in place, now we just need to add the bladder. This is always the most complex step whenever we're making hollow body parts. Will it be airtight? Will it be properly sized? We've solved all these problems by developing a custom welding machine that allows you to get the perfect design for your parts. You send us a 3D drawing, a 2D drawing, and we will make a custom welded bladder for you with the film of your choice. With this welding machine, we can weld the entire range of Diatex films, meaning low temperature films, high temperature films, self-releasing films, and films with high elongation. We can weld pieces up to 1.8 meters by 2 meters long. A bicycle frame is very complex. There are inlets everywhere, very complicated designs. Here, no problem. You make your frame, you insert the bladder, and that's it. That's it, everything is ready. We can start the curing process. Off to the press. If the vacuum is connected, 6 bar of pressure, 180 degrees. After 2 hours, we're very happy with the result. The finish is perfect, the edges show no porosity, and the results are truly flawless. This video has shown you how bladders are used for very complex composite parts. There are many advantages: quick setup, easy implementation, and above all, perfect immediate sealing. There are many applications, for example in boating, aeronautics, or sports and leisure. So I invite you to visit our website, diatex.com, to learn more and get in touch with us.